Everyone, but today main agenda is Jenkins. Okay, before Jenkins, sir, yesterday last weekend one workshop I'm missing that concept 15 to 20 minutes only. First I will tell Sikuli, then I can go to that Jenkins concept. Okay, it is a simple concept only because last time Auto IT explained, but I didn't explain about Sikuli. Why that pending concept? Okay, can I go for first Sikuli? Then I can go to the Jenkins. I will explain. Okay, now? Yeah, thank you. So now observe carefully. Sir, how Auto IT is there? Same Sikuli, it is also open source, developed by using. Manoj came because in the Manoj system already installed Jenkins. I will tell the process. Manoj, are you there? Manoj K. Yes. Okay, nice. Sir, observe by using Java. So what is the use of this Sikuli means? Sikuli is to handle the desktop elements, flex elements, flash elements. Auto IT is also same, but Auto IT can be supported only Windows operating system only. Only Windows only, sir. Remaining it not supported. Only Windows it will be supported. Okay. Auto IT will support only Windows, but Sikuli supported both Windows and MacBook. Both will be supported there. That is the Sikuli purpose. By using Sikuli, we can handle desktop, flex, and flash elements. All can be handled. Second. Is it okay? Just now I'm taking class here. Yes, that is also possible. Prashant, now okay? Just now I took the class same hall only. Now okay, perfect. Clear voice, Prashant. Clear? Okay. See, every day I'm taking class here only, this room only. Sir, okay. Sikuli can be handled. Sikuli can be handled desktop, flex, and flash elements. It will be supported. Okay, fine. Sir, how to install this Sikuli? How to install Sikuli? That's very simple process. 15 to 20 minutes only. After that, I can go for Jenkins. Don't bother about that. How to install Sikuli? Sir, go to the Google Chrome. Okay, open Google site. Google you can open. In the Google, you can check for Sikuli download. See, launchpad.net. Launchpad.net. Scroll down. Sikuli X ID, Sikuli X. No. Scroll down. Sikuli ID, no. Sikuli X. Yes, Sikuli X. This one, where is the site? It is only Marivai. Equally, X setup dot file is there. Equally, X IDE. Equally, X release, one X releases. Wait. I am not doing anything. I am checking for the Sickly setup file. Wait. I am looking for Sickly setup dot file. Sorry, sir. Do one thing. Here. Yes. 1 second. 1 moment. Give time. Where next page? Where it is there? Next page. There is one. Yeah. I clicked it. Sir, excellent, sir. Thank you. Vinod, yes, see here. Sir, this file you can download, sir. Sickly setup.jar MD5 file. Sir, in the next page, sir, observe carefully, sir. This file you can download, everyone. I am highlighting here this file, sir. Sir, sickly setup.jar. Remember very carefully. Don't download sickly X. Sickly setup.jar file. You can download this one. Getting it? Yes, this file I am checking. Okay, fine, perfect, sir. Sir, once you can download Sickly services, don't download Sickly X setup. Direct Sickly setup.jar MD5. This file you can download, please, everyone. Once you download, sir, it's a jar file. Sir, don't extract this file. Okay? Create an empty folder with the name of Sickly. See, in D library, once you download this jar file, see, in my machines are library, I created empty folder Sickly. Sir, first time only this file should be available. All are not available. Only Sickly setup.jar file available. Only this file should be available. Only this file, sir. So how we are getting all these means? Yes, I will tell that process. Sir, where is the Zoom it? It's not working. 1 second. 1 second, sir. If I want to zoom. Yes, sir. Sir, once you download only Sickly setup.jar, this one only available, sir. Sir, what you want to do is, once you download it, just you have to. 1 second, I can. Now, are you seeing my home screen? Or is it visible? So, library Sickly folder, first time only Sickly setup.jar file should be available. Only that file is available. Yes, okay. Sir, you want to do just to double click. You won't do anything, just to double click on that jar file. It will generate 2 files. Run setup.cmd and those. Sir, already I have installed. That's why see, It is asking, yes, do you want to proceed? Yes, sir. It is asking for versions of already in my machine available, sir, everything available. So just you can install, double click on that. It is giving the process. Just you have to click on next to finish. After that, SQL install success. Then these files will come in your machine. Libs folder, run IDE, run setup.cmd, SQL IDE, all will come. So just you have to download that jar file, stored into a folder, double click, follow the instructions. 6 checkboxes will come. All you can click it and finish, sir. You already have the latest version because already installed, sir. That's why this message came. But in your machine, these 6 boxes will come. Select all checkboxes, 6, then click on setup now and now. It will install, it will take some time. Wait. So once all is coming, SQL is ready. Sir, I will give notes also. Once the SQL is ready, okay. Once the SQL is ready, my thing is, I am opening Eclipse, sir. See, I am opening Eclipse. This is my home page. 1 second. Because Eclipse, I want to write program, now that's why. Observe carefully. I switch to any one workspace. Yes, it is opening. So once it is, Eclipse will come. Okay, na? So once it is come, do you know already SQL ID is there? SQL ID just recording and running, same like that. Here, see, run IDE.cmd file. Run ID.SQL file, observe, double click it. Wow, it is running, it will open. Just like ID, sir, ID. It is opened a window, SQL ID. Just to Selenium ID, how it is there? Same like that. It is recording tool. It will recording the images and everything. ID is opening, wait. See, SQL ID 1.1 starting, please wait. Yes, yes, very good, sir. Perfect, sir. So this is only I want. This is the window. So do you know Selenium is purely to automate the web applications only. For example, I want to open calculator. So SQL ID is there. See, after I open calculator. Now, are you seeing my screen, home screen completely, everyone? Yes, perfect. SQL ID calculator is there. Okay, sir, concentrate here, observe, very good. See, calculator is there. Sir, I want to do some perform operation. See, left side operation, click. Click means where you want to click. Okay, I want to click on 5. See, oh, so I want to click on 5. It came, see, just to click. I want to click on multiplication. Release. Click. Whenever mouse came, yes. Where you want to click, just select that by using mouse. 5 into 6. Click. Pratham. So, sorry, your ID is there, your calculator is there. So, whatever operation I'm performing, 5 I'm clicking into 6, then sir, here run button is there. Run slow motion. Slow motion you can run. Don't run, sir, run immediately, don't save. See, it is going there, it is clicking my operation. See, present my mouse is there now. Automatically mouse will be goes there. Yes, wow. 5. Into, see, sir, automatically it is doing. I am not doing anything, sir. Yes. 6. Perfect. Yes. Done. Sir, everyone getting it? Once again, can I run? Are you seeing? Execution. See, run in slow motion. Sir, see, sir, run immediately. I don't want save. Concentrate. See, 5. Perfect. Go there. Yes. 6. See, desktop, calculator is a desktop, not a web. Wow, perfect. So I can do anything. For example, say, I am deleting all action. Sir, in the desktop, my computer is there. I want to double click. Oh, okay. Go to your IDE, double click, you see. Sir, left side commands are there. Whatever command you want, see. Click, double click, okay, right click, mouse over, what you want, drag and drop. So 2, 3 I will show. Double click. The where? Select my computer, this PC, this PC, this PC. Run in slow motion. Because I want to show execution to you, that's why. Run immediately. My cursor will go and click it, my computer. Perfect. Sir, by using SQL ID, real-time very important, sir. Because, for example, your resume is in desktop. You want to upload into Gmail, how can we upload? You can upload into Yahoo Mail, how can we upload? Because some interview times they are asking this question. So many students may ask me. In my regular sessions, I explain that programs also. But unfortunately, some batches are missing. That's why I'm taking this workshop. Suppose, see, drag and drop. What I want to drag and drop, which file is waste file. Everything is important. Sorry, sir. Sorry, again I can go back. See, this exe file is there. Na? This one I want to drag and drop to the recycle bin. Okay. I want to drag one file and drop into recycle bin. Observe what I'm doing. Open your IDE. Oh, it was drag and drop. What you want to drag? This one. Where you want to drop? In recycle bin. Wow, perfect, yeah. Run immediately. It will drag and drop to the recycle bin. Excellent, yeah. It's gone. My file gone. See. But I want that file, sir. And again, I want to back. That's important for me. Restore. Okay. So see, by using ID, we can do anything. We can do anything. But the problem is, sir, up to now, where we are writing program? Eclipse. Then you are using IDE. A boss, no chance. So, sir, IDE is just capturing images only. I have to write program in my Eclipse. One simple example I will tell. In Eclipse, I want to click on navigate button. How to click on navigate? Okay, boss. See, just click where you want to navigate. Run it. Perfect. Completed my program. But where is your program, boss? Okay, sorry. So I don't want to do here. The SQL ID is just capturing images purpose only. Still, I can write program in my Eclipse. Here, I will write the program. Whenever I can run the program here, then it will execute. That is my requirement. Real time, it is required, not by IDE. Sir, what is of means? IDE can capture images, screenshots. SQL always running based on screenshot only. Sir, you can check how to upload a file in Gmail. My video is also there in YouTube. Excellent program, big program I explained. Because so many guys asking me that program. That's why in YouTube I uploaded that program. In desktop, a resume is there. How can we upload it? Yes. So my requirement, that navigate button, okay? Observe, sir. Carefully observe, very carefully concentrate. Sir, here top, take a screenshot. Camera symbol is there, the camera symbol. Based on that, I'm capturing. See camera symbol. Where you want to click, navigate, take this image. Wow. Stored it a folder, stored into a folder. Where I want to store. Just now I opened someone workspace I opened in that. Where I want to store in our. Just now I'm taking 18th October 4:30 p.m. Yes, sir. Preetham, Jenkins class, 5 minutes wait. Because last workshop I missed the SQL. After 5 minutes, we will start Jenkins. Preetham, just 5 minutes, give me time. Okay, na? Yeah. So here, sir, I want to go to live project 18th October 4:30 p.m. Just 5 minutes. Once it is over, I will start Jenkins. Sir, in Selenium Maven, take a folder, sickly images. Here I want to save. Yes, stored. That image is stored. See, E folder, 18th of October. Selenium Maven. What is going on? Just that is I'm telling the Mukesh. Last weekend workshop, I missed the concept just 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, Jenkins will start. After 5 minutes, Jenkins class will start. Please hold 5 minutes because last weekend I missed this concept to my students. That's why I'm telling Sikuli. Okay, na Mukesh? Just now he is asking, I am telling now. Pritam is asking. Okay, just 5 minutes only hold. Once this program completed, I will start Jenkins. Sorry, where I stuck? Yeah. Sir, see here. Sorry, sickly images.sickly. The image is there, PNG. Sir, I want to write this program. Okay, done. Sir, if you want to write that program means, see, I have a jar file is required because I want to perform some operations, sir. That is the reason jar file. So in Selenium Maven, I want to write the programs. So in JRE system libraries, right click on it, go to build path, configure build path. In this configure build path, add external jars. In Sikuli folder, sikuli-java.jar file. Open, apply. See, sikuli-java.jar file available. Enough. Then you have to write our program. Just a simple program only. So right click, create a class. Go to TestNG, create a TestNG class. The class name is sample. Click on finish. Sir, see, simple program only, sir. Here nothing, okay? Already your image is there, navigate image is there. You stored somewhere else, okay? Sir, here I want to perform operations. Click, double click, mouse click, right or anything. There is a class is there, screen class. Create object to that class. New of screen. Screen org.sql. Yes. Object created. Whenever object created, reference variable. What is the type? Screen type. Simple.s.click enough. Enough. Where is your image? Give the path. You want to do anything. Where you store that PNG na? That path you can give. Copy as path. Give here, sir. You won't do anything. Just Selenium / required. Simple steps only. Just you can capture and enough. Runtime not there. Throws exception. Save, sir. So just run it. Just run it. See, it will be goes there and clicking on that navigate. See, label city lives order. The cost can't be accessible. JWT.l system path at runtime. Oh, already, sir. System path variable required, sir. Environment variable required. Yes, already a system recently I formatted, sir. See here, advanced system settings. environment variable I want to create. Where it is environment variable, advanced system settings, environment variable. In the path, I can give E library secretly libs available. And what is happening? Available E library secretly libs available. So the process is this is, sir. Just by using IDE, you can take it. Anywhere you can use, no problem. So, okay, I will resolve issue, no problem, sir. Process is, this is the process, sir. Sure, Sai Krishna. Sir, this is the process. You have to do. Okay, sir. What is the problem? I will resolve it. I will check it. Yeah. Okay. Sir, okay. Sir, this is the process, sir. Whatever required, you can do it. Okay, na? Otherwise, in regular sessions, I will explain everything. Okay. But I want to give some idea. The only thing is, by using CQI ID, you can capture screenshot, stored into a place, and give that values into the program. That is the process. Okay. Fine, sir. Just I'm given some idea. Now, I want to go to Jenkins. Everyone is waiting for this Jenkins. Yes. What is this Jenkins? First of all, it is a CI tool. So what is CI means? CI. Circle Inspector. Continuous. Very good. Yes, Manoj. Continuous integration. Okay, perfect. So generally in real time, just wait. So generally real time, Jenkins should be installed already in every machine. You no need to install. But at the time of practicing purpose, how to install Jenkins? How can we install Jenkins? How can we install Jenkins, sir? Simple, sir. Sir, go to the Google, sir. Whatever you want, go to Google. Check for Jenkins download. Jenkins download. So this is www.jenkins.io download, sir. Down. Click on the link, sir. Sir, here stable long term, weekly purpose, sir. Every week not possible to update. Long term, LTS stable, long term release, sir. Long term release. Sir, here slowly scroll down. You can check for Jenkins download for Windows. Then one VXE will be downloaded. Yes. Thank you for downloading Windows. It is coming. See, it is downloading, sir. So bottom to Jenkins.msa file downloading. Sir, everyone download it. You have to install. Sir, here no programming, nothing, sir. Just I will tell how it is running. Okay. So once you download this, wait 1 minute. After downloading, just double click. It's a exe file. Follow the instructions. The password, everything will be there in the file itself only. When you double click it, it is telling the process. Go ahead. Until coming to the page, you can go ahead. Install Jenkins. Wait, once it is downloading Jenkins.msa file. Manoj, are you ready? Your system, Manoj, are you there? Babu, I hope you are only because in your machine already installed. Okay, okay. Because sir, already one of my student Manoj in his machine already installed. Okay, na? My machine some problem is there. In his machine, I will show how to give integration and everything. Sir, see, but I will tell the process also. See, MSA file. So in this .msa file, go to the downloads folder. Yes. Go to that. Yes. Jenkins.msa. Sir, in my machine, what is the problem also I will show. Why I am selecting another person. See, once it is coming, just double click. Won't do anything. Just double click. Blindly double click. So what is the problem in my machine? I will show. Why I selected that person also. See. Welcome to the Jenkins 2.303 setup wizard. Okay, click on next. So see program file Jenkins, sir. Sir, here you can observe carefully where it is stored, the path also coming. Sir, if you want to do parallelly with myself, anyone, you also do parallelly. Download.msa file, just double click. First time I am clicking next. So in my machine, it is to see program file Jenkins. If you want to continue, change the path, your wish. I don't want change. Click on next. Yes. Sir, run server as a local system or run services as a local or domain user. So here, I don't have credentials. Okay. What we given in that day, Manoj, any credential given? We are not given any credential, yes? Sir, run services as a local system. Within the local machine, I can run. Click on next. Sir, port number, see, by default 8080. Remember, click test port button to proceed. Yes, perfect. My port is okay. If your port is busy, change number, sir. Your wish that is. By default, Jenkins port number is 8080 every machine. Yeah, sure, Manoj. Sir, 8080 by default, remember that port. Click on next. Java environment. Sir, see what they are telling. Only Java 1.8 and 11 are supported Jenkins. Above 11, it does not support, sir. Don't. Suppose in your machine Java 14, 16 is that does not supported. So my path is same. Program file Java JDK. Perfect. Click on next. Click on next. You won't do anything. Click on install. Wait some time. This is the process. Installation process. So it is installing, sir. Wait. So you have no programming, sir, no coding, sir. Just it's a tool, continuous integration tool. Whenever build came from the developer, how can we run? That is only the process. No coding here, nothing. Sir, wait, installing, wait. Yes, Jenkins automation server. Yes, I want to install. See, Preetham, just to download MSA file here. Once you download, click on next only. Preetham, won't do anything. Where you download? 1 second. Go to the Google, Preetham. See, go to the Google. See, 1 second. He is asking. See, Google Jenkins download. Type it. Go to first site Jenkins IO. Preetham, Jenkins IO. From their site, open the site. Okay. Sir, it is installation is going on there. Preetham is asking. You see here stable version LTS In this, just to scroll down, see download Jenkins is there. Just click on Windows, it will download. Pritam, getting it? Yes, Pritam. Yeah. Sir, once yes, sir, see, completed the Jenkins setup wizard. Finished to install. Sir, Jenkins is installed. But process not completed. Wait. See, it is successfully. So where Jenkins page is coming? Go to any new browser. Sir, what is the port number? 8080. So you can type localhost 8080. If Jenkins is installed, starting page will come. This site can't be reacted. Any spelling mistake? Wait, sir. Jenkins starting. Wait. No. Because of net slow only, it will come. Yes. It is starting. Please wait. Yes, my dost came. Please wait while Jenkins is getting ready to work. Wait, you won't do anything. Wait, just. Sir, actually, see, sir, observe, this is the administration password, where it is. Already it is given by those guys in our machine. Where means, see, here, read the path. So the path, everything already they provided. Where it is? See this. C, program data, Jenkins, secrets, initial admin password. So go to this password is there. Copy the password, come to here. Okay. Yes. Observe C. Okay. I'm going to the C. Observe. C drive means C drive. Okay. Program files. Okay. Jenkins. Okay. Jenkins. Sir, not there. 1 second. See Jenkins dot not here. The path should be no hidden files. 1 second. It's not hidden. Already we checked there somewhere else. Wow, very good idea. Perfect here. Yes, correct idea. Copy. Yes, very good. Here. Sir, see, program data, Jenkins is very good. Sir, initial admin, very good. Thank you. Sir, initial password. Okay, na? Right click on initial admin password. Open with edit place. Some key is coming here. Yes, this key. Copy this key. Very good here. Good suggestion. Password, that key enough. Password. In your mission, sir, go to this path directly. Initial admin password. Give this password. Click on continue. Click on continuous. In this wizard, 2 are coming, sir. Sir, Jenkins install configure proxy na skip plugin, sir. But in my machine, it is coming. It's wrong. If I'm unplugging, if I'm skipping the plugins, then Maven is not coming. We have to give Jenkins as a Maven project only. So in my machine, the problem is this is what it is. two are coming. Configure proxy na skip plugins, but plugins are required for me. In your machine, it is not coming. Your machine install plugins like that coming. You can select it. It will install all plugins. For example, if I am clicking on proxy, means it is asking server details and everything. Okay, it is asking proxy details, server, port number, username, password. Those details it is asking. Yes, if I clicking on back button, it is asking install. Okay. Yes, very good, sir. This page, sir. Install suggested plugins, install plugins to install. Very good. Yes. This page I want, sir. Actually, up to now, I'm not this page. So you don't select, just install suggested plugins. Whatever you want, all will be installed. Just click it. Very good, here. Manoj, this page not coming in my machine up to now. But see, whenever I'm clicking, it won't go for next page. See, I clicked it. Where it's not moving forward. That is the issue here. From here, it is not moving in my machine. What to do? See, if I'm hitting come to here, this page is coming. Sorry, see. Configure proxy, come back. It is also from here on, it's not moving in my machine. That's why in your machine I'm selecting. See, sir, your machines are pakka. You can select install suggested plugins. It will be installed. Or restart Jenkins. Okay, 1 second. Sir, someone is telling restart. Sir, where it is available? In services. Sir, in services, your Jenkins will be there. Observe carefully. See, go to services, sir. How to restart Jenkins? I'm showing. Sir, sometimes the page is not coming at that time. We have to start your Jenkins services. How? Go to services. In the services, you can type J, Jenkins, say Jenkins running. Okay. Are you getting it? See, are you seeing my screen, everyone? Sir, if screen is not visible, please tell. I'm in Jenkins page. Services page. Yes, okay. Sir, in services, Jenkins automatic started, sir. He is telling stop the services. Okay. Stop services. Jenkins are stopping. Then the page is not available. Select Jenkins, start the services. So this is the process, sir. Sometimes everyone remember, if your page is not coming, means you have to stop service and restart. Okay, I did the step. Again, I can go to localhost 8080. The setup page, starting page, it is taking time. Wait, no problem. Unable to connect Jenkins. Yes, wait. Now it will connect. Wait. Yes, because I restarted services now. That's why, sir. But in your machine, this problem won't happen because already some students successfully installed. So you can install very easily. Sir, administration password. Yes, password is there. Continue. Here only the problem. What number I know? 8080. What is server I want to give? Yes, in your machine password will be there. In the path password will be there. Prasthi Saho here. In this C program data Jenkins secrets. Just now I opened a password. That password only. Again you are asking what is the password. In your machine, go to that path. Password should be there. Okay, sir. Don't wastage of the time. I will access to another person. Manoj in system already we installed Jenkins. Okay, sir. This is installation process. After installation, okay, everyone please install plugins. Once it is installed successfully, it is asking your username, password, whatever you want, you can select it. Where is Manoj? In Zoom, I don't know here how to view presenter. Photo meeting, I know. 1 second. Manoj. Make host. Rename. Allow to record. Allow to multi-pin. Multi-pin ante. Put in waiting room. Remove. So if I can make it as a host means, again, am I getting the host or not? That is the doubt for me. Sorry, 1 second. We want to change the host to Manoj. Manoj will become host. Then how can I access your system? Can I access? Sorry, I can make as a host. 1 second. Share your screen, Manoj. Share, Manoj, share. Yes, very good, very good. Wait, yeah. Sir, everyone seeing the Manoj screen? Sir, first to 1 second, Manoj. How to 1 second, yeah. Give request, yeah. Remote control give to me. I can do. Sir, everyone seeing Manoj screen? Manoj, please log out. Please log out. We will show to every person. Yes, sir. Sir, Jenkins page is coming like this. Log out. Yes, very good, sir. Concentrate. I am working on the Manoj screen. Please, if you are not visible, anything, you can immediately message me. I will tell the process carefully. After that, I will upload this video just to go through this. Manoj, enter your username and password. Manoj, okay. Password enter. Yes, sign in. Sir, wait, okay. Chod do. I will take care, okay na? Sir, now, sir, first here see new item is there left side. Sir, here a dashboard is there, okay na? Dashboard. Dashboard means just a page only. It is a page only. A dashboard, new item, people, build history, manage. All these things I will tell. Chod do. New item I am clicking. Go back again. Sir, every time page is refreshing. Sir, if you want to give description, see, add a description. Just I'm given. This is Manoj Jenkins page. Just to, not required, but starting it is coming. Yes, this is Manoj Jenkins page. But not required. Just I'm given, sir. Okay, na? Sir, first time observe. How many builds you can execute, sir? 2 builds. Here, bottom, build executor status is there. 2 are there. So at a time, 2 builds you can execute. 2 builds only. Build queue. 1 by 1 it is coming. Okay. Yes. First create a new project, sir. New item. Sir, enter project name. Job 1. Which type of project? Actually, Maven. But see, in Manoj system, Maven is not there. I will install. First sample one, freestyle project. So later I will give this video. Please concentrate here. You won't do anything. Just to listen whatever I'm telling. After that, I will upload this video on YouTube. Then you can practice. First to concentrate. So job 1, freestyle project. Click on OK. Click on OK. Let's see, one job will be created. Freestyle means empty. Here nothing job, empty job it is here. Wow, see. Description, general. Choose the present. I am not given any job. Save. I am not given anything. Empty job I created. Yes, go to the back to dashboard. Wow. See, job one. Status, nothing, empty status. See, weather report, cloudy 90, name, job one. Last success, not applicable. NA means not applicable, sir. Last failure, not applicable, no. So if you want to run this job, sir, job means here nothing empty, but I want to give, sir, already who completed Maven project. In every Maven project, POM file is there. Everyone knows that POM file. POM.xml file in Maven project. That file we want to give, yes, very good. That file we want to give here. Okay, wait, this is empty job, sir. Just to run. See here, last run button is there, no? Run button. This button, build schedule, run. Sir, wait, it's an empty job. So here, see, job one is executing. See, executed bottom, completed. Refresh the page, the symbols will change. Wow, success. Build success. Last duration 1.1 second. See, 9.8 last time. Success, sir. Definitely it will success because of empty. It does not contain anything. Definitely it will success. But our motto is we want to give that POM file into Jenkins. Jenkins will run. Sir, observe carefully once again. New item. Job 2. Freestyle project. Click on OK. So it's not important. Just how to create an empty job, I am telling. Okay? Not required. Click on save. Go to project 2 created. Go to the dashboard. See, 2 jobs are there, 1 and 2. Sir, whenever I am giving job, in the left side, see build queue, job is coming. Build executor will execute. See here some process is coming. Observe carefully. Run. See, it is running. See, left side bottom. Build executor will run. No build in the queue. Yes, build came. Refresh. Success, second build also. Because of empty. Definitely, see, first one, 1 minute 22 seconds before it is running. This is running 14 seconds before. Here, console output. Console, see, started by the user, Manoj Kumar. See, running as a system, building workspace, C program Jenkins, sir, perfect, sir, success. So always you will get success because of it's an empty job. Why it is success always? Empty job it is a. See, Manoj Kumar is running, system success. Okay, fine. But sir, my requirement is, sir, everyone following? Any complexity? Everyone okay? Can I continue? Okay. So how to create a Maven project? Maven project is important, sir, here. Not a freestyle project. Why freestyle project? I want to create a Maven project. How to configure Maven? How to create Maven job? Most important thing, sir. I will give notes also. Okay. Observe, concentrate. How to create a Maven job? Sir, here we have to install that plugin. Sir, left side manage Jenkins is there. Manage Jenkins. Click it. This one. In Maven Jenkins, somewhere else manage plugins is there. Third one. Manage plugins. Click it. Here all plugins came. See, updates available, installed, available. Which are available? Show the list. Wow, it is showing the list. In the search, you can type only Maven, M-A-V-E-N, Maven, you can search. Yes, Maven integration. Sir, see, search for Maven. Yes, very good. Yes. Search for Maven, sir. Sir, whatever Maven plugins are there, see, wherever you can see Maven. Sir, first Maven integration, select. Yeah. Sir, okay, 1 second, sir. Again, they are asking, sir, this is the home page, sir. Observe carefully, sir. Home page. Come to manage Jenkins. Left side, manage Jenkins. Manage Jenkins. From there to manage plugins. Manage plugins. Here, updates available, installed, advanced. Come to available tab. In available tab, you can search for Maven, M-A-V-E-N, Maven. So wherever Maven is there, you can select. Sir, Maven. Select the checkbox. First one, see. How many I'm selecting? Observe. Configure file, not required. Jira, not required. Pipeline Maven integration. Second one, required. Wherever Maven is there. To run, not required, not required, not required. Maven release plugins, yes, required. Plot, no. Violations, no. Maven, wherever Maven is there, select, sir. Maven, select. Maven, select. Maven, because Maven related all. Maximum 8 to 9 will come. Select all. Maven invoker, repository, dependency, Maven repository, Maven development. Artifact deployment, Maven, anywhere, unleash Maven snapshots, okay. Maven cascade, not required. Sir, install without restart, sir, don't restart. If you are restart, the system will be restarted, wastage of your time. Install without restart. Wait, it will install. Check it one by one installed. Wait, until installation you have to wait. See, success, one by one success, na? Yes. If it is paid also, no problem, sir, wait. So that is how to install Maven plugin. Next is simple, 3 steps only. Where is your, meanwhile, Manoj, you open your, chodo this page, open your Eclipse and show me the e-commerce something, POM file is then open that file. I will show how to integrate. This one chodo, it is installing. Go to Eclipse, go to your workspace. Our 430 something is there, na? That, go to that. Any POM file is enough for me. I will run that file. Then you are in a position to run any POM file. Come to this screen. This Jenkins screen. Come to Jenkins screen. Enough. Sir, it is installing, sir, everything. Wait. Sir, next only 3 steps, sir. Create Maven project. Configure with the JDK, configure with the Maven, give the POM file path. And how to automatically build run, I will also show. Sir, but see, real time, these steps never done by test engineer. Administrator will take care. But why I am telling, just your practicing purpose. Administrator will do everything. Jenkins setup is ready, Maven ready, everything ready. Just only your job, very simple, sir. So many guys, so many times telling, Jenkins is difficult, nothing. Installation only difficult. After installation, usage very simple, 3-4 steps only. Yeah. But why this much time means installation process only. But real time what happened? Everything is there in the company. Just you can log in your username, password, give POM file path, and build. Main thing, build triggers. How to give build triggers? That is I will show. I will tell. Sure. Wow. Feeling bored? Yes, sir. Yeah. Who is feeling bored? Rashmi Ranjan. Are you feeling bored? No, na? Okay, very good. Okay. Concentrate, sir. Concentrate. Once it is installed, I will tell the remaining process also. Why your name is your best student, yaar? That's why I'm asking. Yes, what is use of the Jenkins means? Observe. Sir, generally, observe. Generally, the use of Jenkins is For example, your client is, or you are from working from US, you are in India, the development team is there, you are working from the US company, okay? So now we are morning means their night time. So their night means we are morning. Today night the build was released. Early morning, 4 o'clock, 4:30, the build was released. The time as per India, morning 4:30. Sir, someone is failed, no problem. Okay. The time is 4:30. You want to run the 4:30. Or else midnight, 2 o'clock, the build came. You want to run. How can I run it? The Jenkins will take care about that. What is the meaning? Continuous integration. Whenever build came, sir, today November 26th or 27, date something, 27. November 30th, one build come 4 o'clock. Early morning 4 o'clock. I will give the triggers to the Jenkins. Jenkins will do that one. Build triggers, those are called as. Remember, that is the Jenkins. Continuous integration. And what happened? I'm not able to see Manoj's screen. Yes, it is coming. Delete that. Close the chat panel, Manoj. Close the chat panel. Chat panel is coming there for you. Oh, not there. Okay, okay. 1 second. 1 second. Yes, Git also. Next we can Git too. Yes, that is I'm telling Nitin Chhabbar. That is I'm telling a wait. Sir, screen is coming small. Something I clicked it. Are you showing any chat panel, Manoj? Close the chat panel. Sir, it was successful, sir. 1 second. Why it is coming, I don't know. 1 second. Something happened. Somewhere else I clicked. It was gone. 1 second, sir. Git also, definitely Git also I will tell you next weekend. Sorry, sir. Somewhere else I clicked it. Why it is coming, I'm not getting it. That messages are coming. The screen is coming very small. Manoj, the screen is coming small to me. Escape key. After it came here, very big screen came. Suddenly I pressed something. Okay, not required. No problem, sir. See, I am seeing the screen, but not fully. Participants' messages are coming. Yes, okay, perfect. I'm getting. Sir, see, all are done. Go to back the page, restart Jenkins. See, restart Jenkins when installation is complete and no jobs are running. Don't go, sir. Just to go to dashboard. Enough. If restarting, it will take so much time. Varsha power. Sir, observe carefully. Yes, it is coming. 1 moment, please. One moment. Sir, see, now go to new item. Sir, Maven project came. Previously only freestyle only. Now Maven project. For example, I want to use some HMS. Select Maven project, sir. Don't go for freestyle. Select Maven project. Click on OK, sir. Click on OK. Yes. In this one, sir, build triggers I will tell. Just to scroll down. See, build triggers and all this I will tell. Scroll down. Just to click on save. Won't do anything. Come to here. Yes, Maven project HMS. Sir, see, this is the HMS job 1, job 2. Sir, in HMS, observe carefully. In HMSC, I want to give configure with JDK and Maven, sir. JDK and Maven. HMS is also empty, sir. Wait. I am not given any POM. Just I am given name only. Just I am given a name only. How to give that? See, how to add Jenkins, JDK and Maven. Left side, manage Jenkins is there. Go to the manage Jenkins. Global tools configuration. Yes. In this, very good. Yes. See here. JDK Mavens will be there. See, global tool configuration. Slowly scroll down. Go to the Maven. Sir, JDK is there, Maven is there. See, JDK is there. GitHub is there. Maven. Where is the Maven? Ant is there. And yes, Maven. Add Maven, sir. Add Maven. Sir, already it's there. See, required install automatically. Select you can install automatically. Checkbox. See, already it is there. 3.8.41 is available there. Sir, delete this installer already. Add installer. Extract install from Apache, sir. Install from Apache, install automatically. Enough. Maven will be coming from Apache. JDK, sir, JDK every machine available there. There is JDK. Add JDK. Sir, only these 2 steps only, sir, important. JDK name as give Java. But here, sir, don't install automatically. Don't do. Installation means it is going to Java SE. Don't do like that. Oh, no. Delete that installer. You have to select from your machine. Sir, delete that JDK. I have to give that path 1 second. I have to give that path. Add JDK. Uncheck the install. Yes, very good. See, sir, uncheck that. Give name as a sir Java. Java home as you can give the system path. Manoj, go to your machine, see program files. Manoj, where is your JDK? That path. Copy that path. C. Where is your Java? Go to that. Java. JDK 1.8 path. That path. JDK. Yes. Copy that path. Top path you can copy. Yes. Come to there. Come to Jenkins page. Give there. Paste. Enough. Save. I will save. Enough, sir. Only these two steps. So wait, it is saving. So I am giving JDK. So in my machine, where JDK is there, that path, and where Maven is there, I am given enough. So last step, how to configure POM file. POM file. So go to the dashboard. So how to go to that? Go to the dashboard. Where is that dashboard? It is not enabled. Yes, go to the dashboard. Which job you want to configure POM? Go to that job. This is HMS job. In this job, configure is there. Configure, yes, configure. Which job you have to go to the configure, sir? Configure. Go to the build tab here. Build tab. Yes, very good, sir. POM file. Root POM is your path. What I would do is, Manoj, in your Maven project, POM file is there now. Copy that path. Go to your Maven. Where is your workspace? Go to that. Maven, okay. POM file. Where is the POM file? Copy that path. Copy. Paste there. Yes. Delete that. Yes. Give the path. Yes. Slash POM. Give slash. Yes. Very good. Enough. Goals. You can type Maven install. Install. You can type install. Enough. Sir, only this step, sir. Sir, just wherever even pom.xml file is there, that path you can do, just give install. Click on save. All setups are over. Sir, after Maven installation, what I am doing? Click on save button. Yes, wait. Sir, only steps are JDK Maven configuration, just POM file. Give the POM file path. Enough. Sir, now come to the dashboard. Sir, you have to run it. Sir, everything is correct. If you run this, that program will execute. That POM file will be executed. If I am running it. But actually, first of all, the manual, if it is running or not, we have to check. Sir, I am clicking here. Build executor is coming. But the thing is, I am telling how build automatically triggering, that is I am telling. Sir, if success, it is coming like this. If it is failed, say refresh. Build failed. Cloudy symbol came, see. Failed. Because the problem is maybe in his machine, something goes wrong there. 1 second. Console output. See, it will show. Sir, a Maven installation needs to be available for this project to be built. Either your server has no Maven installation defined or required Maven version does not exist. Yeah, I will tell. Sir, actually, this is the process, sir. What I want to tell is, This is the processor. Actual process is this is. Okay. But something installation errors and all these are. Now main thing is, important thing is here. One thing, remember, two things, one more I will tell. The important thing is how to give build triggers. Automatical execution. See, automatic execution I will tell. See, which project you want to go to that job. See, configure. Go to build triggers. Build trigger tab. Enough. You see, build trigger builds remotely na. Build trigger project periodically. Very good. Sir, if you don't do anything periodically, what to do? Click on this question mark. It will give complete help. See, minutes, hours, when you want to run. For example, see, I don't do anything now. For example, I am given as a, see, read this documentation. You can read this documentation. I can give 5 stars. 5 stars means every minute it will execute. See, H by 15, 4 stars. Every 15 minutes, every 10 minutes, every day, every hour, time zones, everything there. Read this documentation. For example, see, I am not doing anything. Just here, I am given 5 stars. Build schedule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Save. See, do you really mean every minute you have to run? Yes. Yes. Save. You won't do anything, automatically it will run every minute. Every minute it will run, sir. See here, last run 3 minutes 27 seconds. Whenever it is running, you can check in the build status here. Build executor will execute. Your page will be refreshed. Sir, actually automatic refresh is there, but it is not enabling automatic refresh. See, 1 minute completed, the build executor will execute. Every minute it will run. See HMS. See bottom, HMS is running. But it failed, but it was failed. Refresh. See, last 1 second before, see 2 times executed. Again after 1 minute, after 1 minute, after 1 minute. So whenever you can require that date and time, everything will be provided. It will execute. Sir, here 3 are there, 3 I want to run at a time. But build executors 2 only there. How to increase that build executors? That is also possible. See, go to manage Jenkins. Configure system. Configure system. Because the 10 builds are there, 10 builds at a time I want to run. But here only 2 are there. Once 2 are executing, 8 in queue, build queue, it is 8 queue. No, sir, I want to increase the size. That is also possible. Here, where is the count? Somewhere else it is going. Manage Jenkins. Configure system. Here somewhere else count should be there. Count. Hash count. Make it as a 5. Save. Present 2 are there. See, left side 2 are there. Once you save, it will become 5. So at a time, 5 builds I can execute. See here, left side. Build executor 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 builds I can run. If you want 10, 10. Sir, you can refresh. See, build how many times executed? 4 times. So every minute it will execute. You won't do anything. Every minute it will be executed. Sir, here build failure or success you don't bother about. Mainly you can concentrate on the procedure. The procedure steps are configure with the JDK, configure with the Maven. Next, give POM path to the Jenkins. Periodically go to the build triggers, give the timings. So once you know basic knowledge these things, once you go to real time, it's very easy. If you don't know anything, then blah 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 blah. If you know something, when you know to, yes, 1 second. No, sir, how to send email after failure, pass the build. Yes, that process is normal only. See, once you are getting in the console, see, build, see, after pass or failure, in console you can check it, Srinu. In the console, it will generate output, reports will be generated. Extend reports, all. These reports we need to send. But here failure came. Okay, Srinu, in our regular classes, I will tell, because some class is not completed. Then you will get clarity. Extend reports we will generate. Those reports we will send. That concept not completed for our batch. Okay, na? That is the reason. So that is the processor actually. This is the things, what is happening in the Jenkins, how to create Maven project, how to add with JDK, and how to add with Maven, and how to give PMM path, build triggers, how to increase the executors. Only these things they can ask in the interview room and real time also. Remaining nothing. Only these things they can ask. Now, Manoj, how can make me presenter? How can I go to presenter? My name. Sir, any doubts, please tell. You are the host now. Okay. Wow, came. Sir, that is the story and the theory part. But I will upload this video, sir. Okay. If you are not getting it, how to do and everything, I will upload this video in the YouTube. From there, you can check it. In our Durgasoft YouTube channel is there. In that, I will upload. Then you can check it too. Next things we will tell. GitHub. In my next workshop, I will tell GitHub. What is use of GitHub? Those only are simple things. How to create a Maven project, how to give build triggers, and when build is came, how can you give the time, those things only. But Jenkins, less questions will ask. If you are providing any experience, then they can ask the questions. How to build triggers, how to increase, whatever I'm telling now, in that only the questions will come, Shivajyoti. So same like that, next workshop is on GitHub. I will tell that one also. So this video, definitely after this class session, immediately I can upload in the YouTube, in Durgasoft YouTube channel. Please go through that too. Sickly issue, I will resolve it, okay now? But whatever process I'm telling, just you can follow in your machine, you didn't get any issue. My machine, previously I formatted, that's why the problems came. That is the reason. In your machine, you didn't get any issue. Definitely it will execute. Okay guys, actually 1 hour, 1.5 hours it is taking. Yes, use of Jenkins is continuous integration of builds, multiple jobs I want to run at a time. Multiple jobs and multiple builds. Run at a time. Whatever time I require, at that time I can run it. Continuous integration. multiple pills. Whenever it is coming, I want to run it. But there is no disadvantage here. Sick leave is the advantage to handle the desktop elements. Okay, main important sick leave only real time using to handle desktop. To handle the desktop, we can go for sick leave. Web page also possible. My videos are there, check it. Web is also possible. That's why I'm telling you, by using sick leave, desktop elements, flex elements, flash elements, and web elements also, everything is possible. Sorry, okay guys, thanks to everyone attending the workshop. Next GitHub I will tell. GitHub means how we need to take data from the central repository and how we will send to the local repository, and whatever changes we are providing, how we need to forward to the GitHub. Those things I will tell. Okay, tomorrow there is no class. Monday onwards our regular classes will come. Every batch, everyone come to regular classes only. Have a nice day, weekend, enjoy.